When you're ready to love, I know it's gonna be me. I know it's gonna be me. Baby, you'll see. When you're ready to love, I know it's gonna.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick review for you guys from Alipearl Hair. If you know my channel, you know me. Alipearl is definitely one of my top 3 hair companies to work with. They provide the most beautiful hair, and I always have nothing but great things to say about Alipearl. Let me go ahead and get right into what I'm wearing. So I have worn a couple different bundles, like as far as like textures from Alipearl so far, but this is my first wig from them. I was just very curious about how their wig construction was, how the hair was. So I am wearing a lace front wig. It is 20 inches long, 180% density, and it's the deep wave, and the cap size is medium with, I believe, medium brown lace. I will put all the details down at the bottom like I always do for you to check that out, just in case I am wrong about something. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the con for this wig, and for me the con is only one thing, you guys, and it is too small for my head. You need to customize the wig. I'm sure you can do that if you reach out to them, just depending on if you need something a little bit smaller or a little bit larger. However, this wig is, I mean, I can make it work, and I've tried to make it work, but you can definitely see on the side that it is too small for my head, so that is unfortunate. So the only way I could really wear this like out in public and not feel like people are looking at me weird is if I wore a middle part, and then I would be good. Yeah, so that's the only con that I have. As far as the actual wig itself, it's constructed very well. The curl pattern on here is absolutely beautiful. You guys saw how it came out of the package, so the more you comb through it, the bigger, you know, the hair is gonna get. So I will be back to show you guys like how it looks after being washed and conditioned and all that kind of stuff. So, like I said, you guys, the curls on this are absolutely beautiful. You can see that for yourself. This wig is super cute, y'all. I love the, like, just the flow of it, how it's just very, like, it's big, it's kind of messy. I'm sure you can tame it if you put a little bit more mousse and gel in it or whatever, but you know me, I do not like super neat hair. This is definitely a wig that I wouldn't put any heat on. You guys know I like to use my flat iron and my electric hot comb, but when it comes to curly styles like this, I despise most of the times putting heat on curly styles. I just try and make it work with a little bit of like mousse in my hands and the brush and a little gel, that kind of thing, instead of like trying to knock out the curls, because the last thing you want is to have like straight roots and then like this curl like right after that. You guys know what I'm talking about. It just doesn't look good. The transition is never nice. As far as the hairline goes, I didn't pluck anything. I just did a little bit of baby hair in the front to try and cover it, and just to see how I could just work it and just making it look like it actually fits my head. But yeah, I think I did okay. I would say that you could definitely benefit from plucking a little bit more of this hairline to make it look even more realistic. It could use some plucking, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The more you run your fingers through this hair, the more you will probably end up with tangles. It's kind of like your own hair. If you have, you know, naturally curly hair, you don't want to just keep running your fingers through it after you've put, you know, a styler in it or some type of gel. You just leave it alone, and that's exactly what you want to do to this wig. A full wig. You get a lot of hair in this wig, and that is exactly what you are looking for, because that's what you're paying for, you guys. It is thin. It is not thin at all. You do not have to worry about it, and it's definitely going to last you. Some of you guys have sent me DMs, and you can vouch for me. You know, I always tell you Alipearl is definitely one of my top people to go to as far as hair, and then I have maybe a couple other companies as well, depending on your budget, of course. That's pretty much it for this review, you guys. I hope it was helpful. I hope you like this wig. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please put them down below and I will for sure answer them. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at jmarie, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you've made it this far, I think that maybe you kind of like me just a bit. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and we'll work it out. We'll see. And that's it, you guys. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of the week, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'm crawling, baby, wait up. Good morning.